If you or your business is not on TikTok yet, then today's video is going to convince you to start growing on TikTok, because today's topic is going to be all about monetization on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So this YouTube channel of mine shares all about how you can make money online from home. So for the past 1 year, I have been testing out this TikTok platform as a business, and to my surprise, the more I focus on this platform, the more surprises that I get. The opportunities on TikTok are endless, and it makes me feel like I'm completing challenges and rewards on this platform. Over the past 1 year, TikTok has released many different ways for creators to monetize on their platform. I get the first-hand experience to try out different types of monetization, including a selling of my services, promoting my digital products, promoting physical products, and also brand collaboration. Many of my followers and also friends are very curious about TikTok platform because many of them know that this platform is very fun, very entertaining, very engaging, and it's very addictive. So when I share that I managed to make a decent income out of TikTok, many of them were very surprised. Today I have gathered 5 top questions that is frequently asked regarding the monetization on TikTok. So the very first commonly asked question is, how can I monetize my TikTok account? I believe many of you own a TikTok account, but it is for fun, probably is for you to browse and for entertainment purpose. But what you may not know is that you can actually earn some money from TikTok as an end user. TikTok has launched TikTok Shop last year, and I have experienced the whole TikTok Shop, how it operates and how I'm able to sell products and also get free products. So my very first step was to apply for TikTok Shop Creator. So me as a content creator on TikTok, I get to request for samples on TikTok Shop, and I'm required to make a video on the product that I've received. So this is the very first product that I've requested. So I did a video. As you can see, below the video there will be a link. So if there are anybody who click on this link and then purchase this exact product, I'll be getting commission. So this product is a portable green screen, and if I'm able to sell this product, each sale I'm able to get $7.20 in commission. So it was really fun creating the video, because this is something that I use, and I usually request for samples that I use on a daily basis. So for example, I do a lot of videos, so this green screen is very useful for me. Imagine if I were to do videos like every other day and I'm able to promote more of this good product, then you're able to get passive income out of it. So I have posted this one video on this product, and I have been receiving sales every now and then. So I only did one video. Imagine if I were to post more videos, I'm definitely gonna get more sales. But because I want to try other products as well, so I went on and try other products that I'm able to promote. So basically, being a TikTok Shop creator, you're able to really earn a passive income out of this. All the products that I've received, I only did like 1 or 2 videos for each product, and I have been receiving sales every now and then. So being a TikTok Shop creator is one of the easiest way for you to get started and get some additional income. If you're looking to do this full-time, there are also other streams of income. For example, I also get brand deals, which I get from the Creator Marketplace. So I have a video talking about TikTok Marketplace over here, so make sure that you check it out. So Creator Marketplace is where brands connect with so-called TikTok creators. So I have been a TikTok creator since 2021, late 2021 I started, and I have been receiving a lot of brands that reaching out to me to do a collaboration. So how it works is they will pay me to do a video on TikTok as well as send me samples. My main source of income from TikTok is promoting my services as well as digital products. So if you are a personal brand or a business, TikTok gives you a very good organic exposure by sharing about your business on TikTok. The second most asked question about TikTok monetization is how do TikTok influencers make money? I think I have answered this previously. How most of the influencers make money is through brand deals. So usually the brand or the company is going to reach out to the influencers or the creators on TikTok to make videos. So some really big creators, like they have millions of followers, per TikTok video they can earn a minimum of 4 figures and above. Some I know even earn 5 figures. So right now with TikTok Shop, most of the influencers also take the opportunity to sell some products and also make some commission. The next most frequently asked question is, how much can you earn on TikTok? I'm not so sure how to answer you, but for me, I have about 30,000 followers on TikTok and I have generated more than 40,000 just last year alone. So I believe the figure is infinite because imagine you have more followers, then brand will pay you more, and also you have a bigger exposure. If you are planning to quit your full-time job and do TikTok on a full-time basis, I can tell you that it is highly possible, and I think that you should start now because they are getting more creators on the platform. So make sure that you join first before TikTok Shop stop accepting creators. This may happen, I won't know, because last year they just launched TikTok Shop and they are welcoming a lot of TikTok creators, so they may close the registration. They may limit the number of creators on the platform, or they may set the requirement higher. The fourth most commonly asked question is, how do brands pay TikTok influencers? So far, all the brands that I've worked with transfer me the money. Some of the brands request me to issue them an invoice. They will ask me for my rates and I will give them a quotation, and on the invoice I will state there how they can transfer to my account. So most of the time they will pay now me or do a bank transfer for Singapore. And for international brands, they actually paid me through PayPal as well as Stripe. So because I do have a Stripe account, I can accept payment from them instantly. The fifth most commonly asked question about TikTok monetization is, can you make money from TikTok ads? I have personally tried TikTok ads multiple times last year, and one of the best results I got was in September. I boosted my video and I paid $48. Out of this $48, I got about 174 people that clicked on the link on my call to action. After the whole campaign was over in October, I managed to make about $7,400 just out of these $48. The video has a domino effect and the effect lingers on until the whole of October. So in November, it generated another $7,400 for me. So in summary, the TikTok ad that I placed, which cost me $48, has generated me almost $15,000. So to answer the question, the answer is yes, you definitely can make money out of TikTok ads. As what I've mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you are a business or a personal brand, you really should go on TikTok and promote your business. Even if you are just a small creator like myself, I'm a living example. If I'm able to promote my business as well as my products, if you are a business, you definitely are able to do so. I hope I have cleared a lot of curiosity about TikTok monetization. I just want to let you guys know that TikTok is not just something for entertainment. It can be a very informational place as well. Nowadays, I gravitate myself to watch more on TikTok because the information there is so short and so fast. That means I'm able to get the information right away. I'm not saying that making money on TikTok is very easy. It needs hard work as well and also persistence, because when I first started, I didn't take TikTok very seriously. I was just uploading very random lifestyle videos. It got me to nowhere. So I do admit that I do use specific strategies to grow my account as well as to achieve the desired income. So if you guys are interested to learn more tutorials and the strategies that I use to grow my TikTok account, do comment TikTok money so that I know if you guys are interested to know more about TikTok monetization. If you have any questions, do leave them down in the comment section below, and don't forget to comment TikTok money if you're interested to have more tutorials on TikTok. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!